welcome back. What's up? Today, I am on my way to Riviera Beach down south to Velocity Shop to pick up some compliance bushes. They're having a sale until the 5th. Today is the 4th, so they have a they have a sale that's going on for hard race parts. Why is my lip so ashy, bro? I have chapstick in my lap. It was in my lap. I don't deserve nobody. So I'm gonna go down there right now to pick up some compliance bushings, and we received something. Now let me guess. All you're staring at now is my lips. In the mail from the homies over at Hone Developments, my new supporter of the build for Christina. I'm telling you, bro. Your boy hopes to do a grid life event and make podium. Well, at least 3rd place or break a wreck, something. Look in my eyes so you can see how serious I am about this. I want to be a driver, bro. I just want to be great, all right? I just want to be great. Man, that's all I want, bro. That's all I want. So that's the move for right now, and then when I get back, I might have to go drop off the front bumper, the RSX front bumper and lip to go get painted finally. We have some stuff to do today. My goal for this year is to tackle so many goddamn tasks in a day. I need to really pledge allegiance, you feel me? Like, I gotta make Zosh Jeep pop off. I got a lot of things to do this year. So I am pledging allegiance to the bag until I start really pledging allegiance to the bag. Let's get it. All right, we made it to Velocity Shop. Pick up these compliance bushes, playboy. Man, I'm surprised I still have my letters on my car. Barely. Mike, what's good? Oh, yeah. Just now leaving Velocity Shop. Shout out to the homie Mike and Freeman that runs Velocity Shop and make it one of the fine establishment that it is. Got my compliance bushings for the Integra. Now we can install those along with my new HONED development stuff that I gotta unbox and show you guys and make my Instagram post because they're looking forward to that. I had got my HONED stuff back in Black Friday and I'm just now getting around to it. Bro, I've been busy. Cool, dude. Cool. So cool. Hey, bruh. Hey, bruh, skill. What exit is this for real, though? Riviera Beach exit? Oh my god, dude, kill. That's so kill. Kill, bruh. Hey, bruh, skill. Alright, sorry. So, my gas light is on. I'm on 95, and there's no nearby exit with gas. I may not have a girl, but boy, do I know how to get fucked. So back home, now it's time to drop off that bumper. RSX engine bay don't look that bad anymore, huh? Don't look that bad. And we're actually gonna be making all this stuff Clute. I gotta get a new cap for this. I gotta order a new thing for this. This is just tacky. This is all gonna be fixed. Me and a fellow YouTuber is gonna be collabing on my car soon. Actually I have the package, I just have to do it, but I'll talk more about that once that arrives. He's like one of the only YouTubers that I know that's making strictly like RSX content, and he's killing it. He had to reach out to me to make the engine bay a little bit more icier, so that's what we're gonna be doing fairly soon. But she doesn't look too bad, man. She doesn't look too bad. I do want to get a new valve cover though. Yeah, I'd love to get a new valve cover because that's right there. Bumper and lip is on. Let's go to the paint shop. All right, I made it back to Affordable's Auto Painting and Body Repair, bro. I already spoke to the homie Blake, so I should be able to drop it off today. He's actually got COVID, so Blake, if you're watching, get better, homie. So I'm here to drop off the bumper and lip, painted obviously, and then that's it. Hopefully, you know, the people that are here don't be like, no, bro, we can't take it, bro. Nah, I'm sliding all y'all. All right, paint my shit on, I'm sliding. You feel me? Demon time. Yeah, boy. The bumper and lip is now off to get painted. Since I'm in the area, I'm gonna stop by Fred's house, say what up. That's it. Fred, bro, what you got going on? Fred, this nigga just came out the door like he SWAT 6, bitch. Dog, what you doing, bro? Huh? What are you doing?
Nothing, bro. I ain't doing nothing, bro. Fuck, dog. What you got going on?
Dog, if y'all could have just see how this man just walked out the house, dog. What you filming or what? You drifting? What you doing? Damn, he got gloves on and everything.
Hey, chill,
bro, what you doing in there?
I was drifting, bro.
We riding dirty, dirty. We riding dirty. Shout out to Nizda for that. Ooh, look at that battery tray, playboy. We riding dirty, dirty. And it's still on. And it's still on. And it's still on. Ooh, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ooh, what we got in the box? What we got in the box? What we got in the box? This is my box from Hone Developments. I didn't even show you guys the part. I did show you guys that. I did show y'all the part I picked up from Velocity Shop yesterday, right? I'm sure I did. I think so. Positive I did. But I didn't show y'all what I got in this right here. Gave Nami a bath. She's all birdiful. Put the bumper back on. But let's show y'all the business. Ooh, my Hone Developments pack. Oh man, let's open this up. Excuse my desk. It's hella messy right now, but that's not important. What's important is what's in this box. Bro, tape is so strong. Like, goddamn. Yeah, baby. Dollar bill, y'all. And we have 2 packages from Hone, boy. 2 of these bad boys. First up, that rear roll correction kit, playboy. Second up, yeah, that front roll correction kit, playboy. So I have the full set of front and rear. I have the entire kit. The functions of the rear roll correction kit and the front roll correction kit is when you lower your car, you're messing with the suspension geometry. So what those 2 parts do is basically fixes that. It brings it back to OE spec, I guess, in a sense. I'll be sure to leave a link down below that further explains what I'm trying to say, because I don't want to sound too dumb and y'all be like, that's not worth it, bro. It's worth it. It's just me. I know what it does. I can just never articulate what it does perfectly. But when it comes to me articulating the function of something, this just doesn't work. But that is what baby girl finna get fairly soon. Let me show y'all the iceness real quick. So this right here is the front. Basically, these are like extended ball joints, lower ball joints. And that's it. Ooh, got some OEM goodies in there too. So these are essentially extended ball joints. This helped the front a lot. Like a lot. I have it on screen exactly what it does, because like I say, I can't articulate shit. And they also include OE castle nuts, so that is fantastic. Shout out to my brothers in the down under over there in Australia. And right here we have the rear rail correction kit. Oh, this is such beautiful, Marty. Oh, ooh. Excited. And if you need no instructions, ta-da, playboy, ta-da. But this should be a good, fun install. I am super excited to be working with Hone Developments, man. They've been killing it for the Honda chassis, for like when it comes to like time attack or just regularly driving your car on like the street, SCCA. Like their parts are proven time and time again, and I'm so thankful to have their support with my driving journey with my K24 Integra. So blessed, bro. The install won't happen in this video, maybe the next. I'm trying to figure out where I want to take my car to get it installed. I'm gonna do it myself, obviously, but I just talking about like space-wise, because obviously that ain't gonna happen. That sure as hell ain't gonna happen. So it would be nice to use a lift too. So I gotta figure that out. But I do want to do this install in a proper location, you know, I do it something nice for once. You know what I mean? For once. First track day of the year is January 31st at the firm. Hopefully my Integra is back on the road by time. I say hopefully because if you didn't catch my last video, I have no ECU right now. I'm waiting to get that back from HONED, so I don't know. I was talking to David and he was like, bro, it's probably like a 4 week wait time type deal. So in 4 weeks, it'll be the 31st. So I'm not entirely too sure the next time I'll drive this old girl, but hopefully soon, man. Oh, what's up? It's me, man, and I'm here to close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It would mean a lot if you hit the like button. And it also would mean a lot if you hit the dislike button. The choice is yours, because honestly, at the end of the day, I don't give a fuck. I mean, I do a little bit because, like, my shit's slapping. Like, people, like, bro, I don't understand, like, how the... But yes, I am a part of the HONED Developments family. That's awesome. Beautiful. Oh, blessed. Work hard, kids. Work hard. Oh, but you do make YouTube videos. Work hard, kids. Work hard. These right here, Randy put me on. Bro, these things slap. Links down below to everything you need to know about this entire video. I love you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm cute, huh? Stop looking at me. It's weird. I'm out. Peace.